Hello and welcome to Pinoy Talk, the show where we bring you the latest and hottest news, entertainment, and everything that matters to our Filipino community here and back in the Philippines. Ako ang inyong Maring Mars, and today we have an exciting episode filled with celebrity gossip, local businesses updates, and the latest political news. Whether you're turning in from home or on the go, we've got something special for you. But before we dive into today's topic, let's take a quick break.
Traditional TV is going away. Hollywood is starting to fade. People are demanding real stories from real people. Our voices are now being heard in our own way. Podcasts, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok Live are becoming the norm. Internet TV has now reached the highest demand in human history. Social media shows is now the new media of the century.
Drop the Jesse remix one time.
What we do is we work with models, actors, and influencers to get them, help them, support them, and get real opportunities in Las Vegas.
Fuck 'em up.
Being able to be in this space with creatives and people that I love has been life-changing all over again.
I love Rise. Rise has changed my life, and it lets you know that it's never too late. Age doesn't make a difference.
3, 4, 5, 8, 10 music and I fuck 'em up. They not like us. They not like us.
The door felt very welcoming and everybody's been so nice.
Rise Talent has been amazing for me. It's let me travel the world, be able to walk through New York, LA, and all over the place in America. So I've had a great time.
4, 5, 8, 10 music and I won't pass the ox. 1, 2, 3, fuck 'em up. They not like us. They not like us.
They not changed my life. Rise Talent changed my life. I've been a long time client here, and Dawn has just
Go. How many stocks do I really have in stock? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Just the short time I've been here, it's been so inclusive.
Rise has been completely beneficial to my life.
They're a family. Every time you go there, you feel like you build more your confidence.
They not like us. They not like us.
Welcome back to Pinoy Talk. Ngayong araw, pag-uusapan natin ang isang inspirasyon sa ating mga kababayan, Maria Pureza. She is not just a Filipino celebrity but also the brilliant mind behind social media shows, an independent network that brings entertainment, news, and inspiring stories to audiences worldwide. Madalas nating makita ang mga big networks, pero Maria Pureza is proof that with passion and dedication, you can build your own platform and create a space for independent voices. Let's dive into her journey and how she became a game changer in the digital media world. Maria Pureza is a proud Filipina who has made a name for herself in Las Vegas. She started as a passionate content creator, but her vision was much bigger. Instead of just focusing on herself, she created a platform where others could showcase their talents and share their stories. Through social media shows, she has given opportunities to entertainers, entrepreneurs, and influencers, especially Filipino talents who want to reach a global audience. Her networks features different types of shows, including entertainment and celebrity interviews, news and talk shows, music and live performances, business and community features. What makes social media shows special? It is committed to giving people a voice. Unlike traditional TV networks, these platforms allows independent creators to shine without the need for big production companies. Many Filipinos entertainers in Las Vegas at pati na rin sa ibang bansa have been featured on the platform. Dito nating makikita ang tunay na talento ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na ang mga nagtatagumpay sa ibang bansa. And let's not forget, Maria Pureza is not just behind the scenes. She's also hosts and produces shows herself. She's a hands-on leader who continues to grow her brand while uplifting others. Maria Pureza's story is a proof that Filipinos can succeed anywhere in the world, lalo na kung may sipag, tiyaga at passion. She built something from the ground up, and now her network is making waves in the industry. Kaya sa ating mga kababayan na nangangarap din gumawa ng sariling content or media platform, Maria Pureza is living proof that it's possible. That's it for our feature on Maria Pureza, a true Filipino trailblazer in the media industry. Pero huwag kayong aalis dahil sa pagbabalik natin, may exciting news pa tayo about the latest in entertainment and current events. Stay tuned, mga kachika. Babalik ako.
Got Films is a full-service production company that provides motion picture quality content and production services for use in the film and TV industry. Looking for a seasoned crew, high-quality equipment, or other production services for your film, TV, commercial, corporate convention, sports, news, or interview project? Your search stops here. Some of our projects include NASCAR, American Restoration, Pawn Stars, Counting Cars, Top Chef, BattleBots, Forge and Fire, and Street Outlaws. We have also produced over 60 feature films and documentaries. We're ready for all your needs. Whatever your project, whatever your budget, big or small, Got Films got you. GotFilms.com.
Traditional TV is going away. Hollywood is starting to fade. People are demanding real stories from real people. Our voices are now being heard in our own way. Podcasts, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok Live are becoming the norm. Internet TV has now reached the highest demand in human history. Social media shows is now the new media of the century.
Welcome back to Pinoy Talk. Ngayong segment, pag-uusapan natin mga hot topics sa politika, especially tungkol sa mga nangyayari sa administrasyon ni Ferdinand Marcos Jr. at Sara Duterte. Kayo ba ay updated sa mga latest political news in the Philippines? Well, stay tuned because we're diving into the current issues that are shaping the Filipino political landscape. As we know, Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. took office as the 17th President of the Philippines in June 2022. His presidency marks the return of the Marcos family to Malacanang after nearly 30 years. Despite the controversial history surrounding his family, Marcos Jr. has worked hard to present himself as a leader committed to addressing the challenges the country faces. Under his administration, we've seen a focus on economic recovery post-pandemic, boosting agriculture and building infrastructure. But of course, no administration is without its challenges. One of the major issues that has been a constant topic of debate is his handling of the economy, particularly inflation, rising prices of basic goods, and unemployment rates. Marcos has also made international headline due to his active foreign policy. Nakita natin ang mga pagbisita niya sa mga bansang tulad ng United States at Japan, hoping to strengthen economic ties and secure trade deals. Yet, some critics say he's still playing catch-up in terms of addressing urgent domestic issues like poverty and inflation. On the other side, Vice President Sara Duterte, daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte, has certainly carved her own path. Her rise to power in the vice presidency has brought a lot of attention, especially considering her father's controversial tenure as president. Sara Duterte is no stranger to the limelight, and her political career is growing with her own set of policies and initiatives. As vice president, she has taken charge of the Department of Education, which has placed a spotlight on her educational reforms and projects. Isa sa mga pinaka-aabangan na proyekto ni Sara Duterte ay ang kanyang mga plano para sa pagpapabuti ng kalidad ng edukasyon sa bansa. She's focused on initiatives like digital learning and addressing the needs of public school teachers. But just like her father, Sara Duterte has become a polarizing figure. While many admire her strong leadership style and her clear stance on various issues, others have expressed concern about her possible presidential inspiration in the future. Looking at the political scenes, a possible Marcos Duterte tandem in the future is certainly a topic of discussion. With Ferdinand Marcos Jr. in the presidency and Sara Duterte as a vice president, there's a possibility that their influence could reshape the future of Filipino politics for years to come. However, they also face some major challenges. Marcos Jr. popularity has fluctuated, especially with rising inflation, while Sara Duterte's political influence is under constant scrutiny, especially from her critics who argue that she's too closely aligned with her father's controversial legacy. With the country still struggling to fully recover from the pandemic, economic inequality, and other pressing issues, it's clear that both leaders will need to work hard to maintain public support. What's interesting is that while both Marcos and Duterte continue to reap support from many Filipinos, there are still large groups of the population questioning their governance. Ang mga kababayan natin ay naghihintay ng mga konkretong aksyon na makikinabang ang masa. For instance, Marcos Jr. government is continuously being scrutinized for its economic performance, especially in managing inflation, the rising cost of living, and other social concerns. Many are asking, will they be able to live up to the expectations set by their family's legacy? At the same time, Sara Duterte's strong-willed approach to governance continues to inspire both administration and criticism. Her instance on issues like education reform, national security, and local governance gives us a glimpse into her political style and possibly her presidential ambitions. That's a wrap for our political segment on Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and Sara Duterte's recent developments. Tuloy-tuloy pa ang mga updates sa politika sa Pilipinas and we'll continue to keep you informed. Huwag kayong aalis because we'll be back with more updates on Pinoy Talk. Mga kachika, babalik ako.
It is another episode of Cooking with Gracie Love. Today we are going to do some cheesecake bars. Keebler Cookie Fudge Striped Cheesecake. So delicious, simple, easy recipe, king crab legs, chicken pot pie, hot wings.
Welcome back to Pinoy Talk. Ngayon naman, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinakamaasahang businesses ng mga Pilipino, lalo na sa mga OFWs, LBC Padala. Alam naman natin na isa sa pinakamahalaga sa ating kultura ang pagpapadala ng love and support sa ating pamilya back home. And LBC has been a trusted name for decades. LBC Express or mas kilala bilang LBC Padala has been serving Filipino for over 70 years. Ito ang isa sa mga pinakauna at pinakamalaking courier ng logistic companies in the Philippines, helping Filipinos send their packages, money, and important documents both locally and internationally. Isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit maraming Pinoy ang nagtitiwala sa LBC ay dahil sa kanilang bilis, seguridad, at reliability. Whether you're sending balikbayan boxes, remittances, or important deliveries, alam mong makakarating ito sa tamang destinasyon. LBC is not just about padala. They also offer cargo services, business logistics, and even e-commerce solutions. Kaya kung ikaw ay may negosyo at kailangan mo ng trusted courier partner, LBC is definitely one of the best choices. For many OFWs, LBC is more than just a courier service. It's a lifetime that keeps them connected to their loved ones in the Philippines. Every box sends couriers not just items, but love, care, and sacrifice. Balikbayan box culture is a big part of being a Filipino, and LBC has made it easier for us to send a piece of home across the world. Kayo, gumagamit rin ba kayo ng LBC Padala? Ano ang inyong experience? Let us know in the comments. That's it for our business features. Huwag muna kayong aalis dahil sa pagbabalik natin, may exciting celebrity news and trending updates na dapat ninyong abagan. Stay tuned, mga kachika, babalik ako.
Traditional TV is going away. Hollywood is starting to fade. People are demanding real stories from real people. Our voices are now being heard in our own way. Podcasts, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok Live are becoming the norm. Internet TV has now reached the highest demand in human history. Social media shows is now the new media of the century.
Now on digital and DVD.
Did it?
Space Wars Quest for the Deep Star is an epic sci-fi adventure.
Do what needs to be done.
An edge-of-your-seat wild ride.
We have company.
Tons of popcorn-munching fun. 5 stars. A love letter to the sci-fi films of the 70s and 80s. With plenty of action and fun for all. You need to see it. You really do.
The captain just decided it's time to go.
I am ready for a sequel. Experience a bold new adventure. Space Wars: Quest for the Deep Star.
A good old-fashioned adventure.
Now on digital and DVD.
Welcome back to Pinoy Talk. Dito natin pinag-uusapan ang latest sa entertainment, balita at kulturang Pinoy. Ngayon naman, let's talk about a film that has been making waves. My Love Will Make You Disappear. Isang pelikulang puno ng mystery, romance at fantasy na siguradong mapapaiyak at mapapakilig kayo. So ano ba ang kwento ng pelikulang ito? My Love Will Make You Disappear follows the love story of 2 people na parang itinadhana pero may isang malaking problema. What if the person you love could literally disappear from your life? The movie stars Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino, bringing their powerful performances to the big screen. Isa itong kwento ng pagmamalahalan na susubukan ng tadhana. Hanggang saan mo kayang ipaglaban ang isang taong unti-unting nawawala? The cinematography is breathtaking at ang musical score ay talagang nakakadagdag ng emosyon ng pelikula. Hindi lang ito simpleng love story. May mystery, may heartbreak, at may aral tungkol sa buhay at pag-ibig. Marami ng viewers ang nagsasabing this movie will stay with you long after the credits roll. Kaya kung mahilig kayo sa mga kwentong may lalim, siguradong magugustuhan ninyo ito. Maraming fans ang nagbigay ng kanilang reactions online at karamihan ay sobrang affected sa ending. May mga nagsasabing hindi nila inaasahan ang twist, habang iba naman ay napapasana all sa love story ng bida. Kung napanood nyo na, ano ang inyong thoughts? I-share ninyo sa comments. And that's our movie features for today. Pero huwag kayong aalis dahil may iba pa tayong exciting topics coming up. Sa pagbabalik natin, may latest celebrity news at trending updates na dapat ninyong abangan. Stay tuned dito lang sa Pinoy Talk. And that wraps up today's episode for Pinoy Talk. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtangkilik. We hope you enjoyed our discussions on the latest news, celebrity updates, and local businesses. We always love keeping you informed and entertained. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates and to catch up the next episode. We'll see you again next time. Same place. Until then, stay safe and take care. Paalam mga kachika and see you soon sa Pinoy Talk.